Hello Gemini, this is your bi-weekly for the last 15 days of May. This is a quick reading. So let's check out your love energy for the last 15 days of May. For my beautiful Geminis, your love energy for the last 15 days of May. Okay, so we have a Two of Swords. This is like a stage of confusion. You are not able to figure out something, or maybe overwhelming. So there is some sort of a problem for taking some sort of a decision in your life. You are confused, or maybe there is a chances of crossroads in your life when you have to choose the one path. So let's see your partner's energy towards you. You are not able to see clearly what's going on because of your emotions. Your partner have a Two of Wands. See the synchronicity in your reading. They also have to choose one path. You also have to make a decision. You both are like on a stage where you both have to make decision or choose the one way, right? So they are also making, you are still not making the final decision, but your partner already make the final decision. They choose their van, that which way they want to go. They are having a world in their hand, so they are happy about that decision. So your partner is the one who is making decision about something. So let's see your energy. You are still don't know what to do, lot of confusion. So your energy. So there is a Hermit card and the King of Pentacles. Hermit card is again like you are seeking for the inner wisdom, you are seeking for the enlightenment, you are going into a hermit mode when you are taking your self time for your self growth, for your spiritual growth, for your soul growth. So you are like totally, you are taking some time alone, because, or maybe you're just simply doing some sort of a self analyzing that what you really want to make a final decision. So you are totally seeking a some sort of a enlightenment. And the King of Pentacle, you are a perfect husband wife kind of a material. You are financially very stable, you are very grounded now because of your inner wisdom, because of your this energy. You feeling stable. If you go into your spiritual side, you feel more stable. You coming out from this kind of a confusion. If you going on your spiritual growth, spiritual journey, then you achieve the stability of emotions, of financial situation of your life, right? So this is all going on in your life. Let's check out your partner's energy, and after that you will get the wish what you want. You definitely get your wish come true. So let's check out your partner's love energy. Your partner's Five of Wands, they are totally dealing with the conflicts, or maybe they are simply arguing with you, or maybe they have some inner conflicts. This person is totally having some sort of conflicts with their family members or something, or maybe this is like a inner conflict in their mind. They have a lot of conflicts, right? No matter they take their decision, but still there is a lot of conflicts that's going on in their life. On the another hand, you are confused, but because of your inner wisdom, you are again, you are the one who is achieving the stability. So let me take one more card for your partner side. Page of Wands. So they are just on a page level. This is like not a even yours. this person is not even in your match, because you are the king, they are the page, they are just a student in front of you, right? So this is like a page. They have a passion for this connection, but that is just on a page level. So let's see the final outcome of your connection. Final outcome of this connection for the last 15 days of May. We have two cards here. See, Nine of Pentacles, Three of Wands. You both are waiting for something, or maybe you both are sharing the singlehood. Maybe you are the one who is just working upon your individuality, and you both are waiting to become a single again, or maybe in this kind of energy who is very confident, single, you learn your self-worth, right? So something is like this beautiful. This is also very beautiful because you realize your self-worth. You are waiting for this moment, right? So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.